Yeah. It's alright. There's a lot of trash everywhere. The lake's beautiful itself. On the lake. Except it's really low, like everything else around here. Trash everywhere. Just, it's a shame people have to just throw their garbage out like that. Boat ramp. There's old Betsy, my truck. They got this really cool this cross right here nailed to the tree. It must be a remembrance of somebody or something. Comment if you know the backstory behind this cross nailed to the tree right out here at the boat ramp at Lake Kickapoo. Yeah, we were just on the floating dock, throwing the ball on and off of it. It's needs some work, but it's still usable. You just want to watch where you step. Molly, come here, girl. But there's an island right there. Houses along that shore. House up there. I give it about a, I don't know, 2.4 out of 5, just because of all the trash and the, you know, the dilapidated conditions of the docks and stuff. I know low level, you know, you can't really help. That's an act of nature, but when it if you cleaned it up, you know, it could potentially be 4 stars. It just needed somebody to come out here and clean it up and fix this thing up a little bit. Come on. You really want to go all the way around here to get up? I'm gonna go to the shore. Watch out for that wire. Yep. There you go. It's a long way, but it's a safe way. Well, it's our review. I say 2.3. Paws out of 5. All right. Y'all have a nice day. God bless y'all.